Model Making Guru is sponsored by emodels.co.uk, your one-stop shop for all your model making needs. emodels.co.uk. Make something awesome. I have no idea what this is. Mystery package times! Hey everyone, it's Foxx from Model Making Guru here. Hello, and welcome to another Mystery Package Times. Now, this is truly a mystery, because this has turned up on the doorstep, and it's been delivered, or it's been sent from Creation Finishing Limited. I'll give them a free plug, but no idea who they are. Creation Finishing Limited. They are a company that does packing materials and packing, and they're a packing solution. I don't know. I've never heard of them. So, free plug. Creation Finishing Limited. They've got a nice website. I guess they do packaging. I don't know what this is. I'm going to guess perhaps it's a gift from a viewer and it just happens to have come from that place. Maybe they work there or they know someone who can get things. I don't know what this is. I've got no idea. But it's turned up today. It's got a very, very filthy, dirty, filthy bottom. Look at the state of that. Oh, it's filthy. Oh, filth. Oh, I'm going to have to clean my desk after I've done this. So yes, anyway, I'm expecting a couple of bits through the post. But I've no idea what this is. So there's only one way to find out, and that is to get, of course, the official Model Making Guru box opening knife. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh. 3, 2, 1. Why I oughta. Oh, right. Channel the power of Bob Ross, the calm, tranquil power of Bob Ross, and maybe Peapod the squirrel, the pocket squirrel. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, Bob Ross, you failed me. Oh, Bob Ross, that painter from telly, you failed me. Right, one more. 3, 2, 1. Pew! There we go. There she is. There she is. I don't know. The power of Bob Ross failed me. Right, so yeah, so I've got no idea who this is from. All I've got is an address label that says Creation Finishing Limited, so we'll find out. I guess it's not anything from them. Unless, for some reason, Paul at Glued to the Sprue has sent me a box full of packing notes, which I would not put past him. I did put a little thing in one of our Facebook chats saying, I've had this mystery package. And Paul's response was, open it. So, yeah, that makes me instantly suspicious that he sent me some crazy nonsense. Let's find out. So it's wrapped in this kind of what appears to be a bin bag, which makes me wonder it's perhaps not been packed by Creation Finishing Limited. Yeah, I think possibly somebody maybe works there and has just posted it through work, and I hope they're not getting in trouble by doing this, saying this. I think somebody's posted something from them. They've just packed it themselves. And I know somebody was sending me something. I can't remember who it was. Somebody was sending me something from my wall, apparently. Maybe it's that. Just make sure there's no little notes or anything. I'm being very delicate because I don't quite know what's under this magic packaging. Let's just get its top off. Undress the package. Right. I'll just get this off. There we go. Now it's not very heavy. It's a big box, but it's not very heavy. So let's find an openage area. I think the openage area is here. Apply the knife of openage. And I'm sure the white balance has got... Let me just adjust that, because that's probably massively overdone now, because that was all black, wasn't it? Let me just... Now everything's probably too dark, but hey, you'll have to live with it for at least a moment. How are you all? I hope you're all well. Oh, that's just cutted the cardboard. This knife is beyond useless now. I hope you're all well. That didn't do anything. Oh. It's one of these boxes where they've cut it down, so there's no natural, logical, Edward de Bono lateral thinking course way to open it. Oh. Right, what's this now? I mean, the other chance, of course, is that this could be something really mundane that I've ordered, like a set of, I don't know, barbecue spoons or something that I've forgotten I've ordered. I haven't ordered barbecue spoons. It could be a barbecue set or anything that I've just totally forgotten I ordered. Right, where's the I don't understand how the... Oh, there we go. Hang on, there's another bit here. I'm being special, Mum. Special Ed. Right, I may end up opening this upside down. You would expect nothing less of me. Right, I'm seeing known logic here. Oh. Ah. What is this? What is this? Aha. Right. I know what this is now. It is, if I can get it out, a good thing for me to reveal to you as well. It is in fact, yes, it is in fact, build your own X-Wing, yes. Right, this gives me an excuse. I'll keep this, I kept this film, we're going to stop filming because I thought it was something else, but I'll keep it going because what this is, I was recently contacted by a company that's doing PR for D'Agostini, and they said to me, would you like to do a collaboration on the Build Your Own X-Wing? And I said, well, I'd love to, but I don't have the budget to do it, and it's not something I'm looking at doing right now. And they said, no, we'll send them to you. And I was like, here's my name and address and all my details, there you go. So, yes, it seems that I will be doing Build Your Own X-Wing. They're going to be sending me the whole thing over the course of forever. So I will be filming a Build Your Own X-Wing series. So I won't go into too much more detail because I need to leave some material for the video. But basically it's the D'Agostini 1/18 scale X-Wing build it yourself. Now my very, very dear friend Chris over at Gross Models is also doing this. To be fair, he started doing his first and he's doing his on his own dime. So do make sure, obviously watch mine because mine will be awesome. But also do make sure, if you're watching mine, do go and watch Chris's on his YouTube channel, Gross Models, as well. Go and watch his as well, because his will be just as awesome. And we'll probably end up taking different routes to things. We'll do things differently, so we're going to see how it goes. But yeah, don't just watch mine, watch Chris's as well. But yeah, there we go. So that's awesome. I did wonder if it was this, and I thought, nah, it's come from a packaging company, so I don't quite know how that works. It's not come from D'Agostini, because the box turned up, and I thought, I'll just check if it's got D'Agostini on it. No, it's just the name of the packing company. Okay, fine. I'm not going to complain. So we've got the first 3 issues, so I will now stop this video, I will go away, and I will film the actual video for this. Right, so, thank you very much for watching. Very, very short mailbag episode. I thought it was going to be somebody sending me treats. I am expecting a package of treats of some sort in the next few days, so you get a proper mailbag video. But until then, I shall just say thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves. Go make something awesome. Go be awesome. You there, you looking in the camera there, and pointing you in the eye. Pokes you in the eye. It's very rude. And I'll say, adios, neighbours. Don't know where I'm going to build this. It's the size of a house, and I haven't got a penny big enough. Oh no, more than episode 6. Got to do more than 6 episodes for this.